Hi guys, I'm Wodacy2 from uklocksport.co.uk, and this is like an old filing cabinet, like an office type thing. I was asked to pick it at work because it was locked for a long time and no working keys. What intrigued me is at the front is a lovely union type lock. You're probably not going to see this, but I'll add photographs of the lock close up afterwards. Again, it fascinated me because I couldn't sort of understand what was going on with it. It seems there was latches on the back of each of these drawers which the lock held in place. When I went to pick it, I was expecting just it to turn all the way around and the drawers to open, but the lock is spring loaded and it frightened the life out of me once I picked it open. Let's see if we can get it open. That's the pick and tension wrench using a Peterson gem. Might try zoom in a little bit. Let's have a look. Probably best I'm going to do. So back to front. Nipping back in. This drops into a little false. There you go, just watch that ping out. See, I've now got my bits and pieces in there. Lovely little storage cabinets. So that's a lovely old union on the front of there. Like I say, I'll take a couple of pictures of that. So if you are newbies to Locksport guys, why not come visit us at www.uklocksport.co.uk. Thanks for watching, happy picking, and please keep it legal.